Have you been wondering how to use lemon essential oil? In this video, I'm going to give you some of my favorite tips on how to use it, but there are more than I can possibly mention. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide too. All you got to do is click the description below to find both of those links. Whenever life gives you lemons, lemon essential oil is one companion you'll always want to have on hand. It's one of the most versatile in the doTERRA catalog and can be enjoyed in all three of the major essential oil applications: aromatically, topically, and internally. Here's a fun fact about this oil. Within the span of a year, one lemon tree can produce between 500 and 600 pounds of the round yellow fruit. About 75 lemons are used to produce enough oil to fill a 15 milliliter essential oil bottle. Wow! That's what makes it so potent. Now let's talk about some specific ways to use lemon essential oil. You can brighten up a tasteless glass of water with a drop of it, but you will also get the gentle detox your body needs on a daily basis. And it's way better than using those lemons you get at the restaurant, because who knows where those have been. When you're fixing up your bike or car, it's inevitable that your hands will get greasy, right? Add a few drops of lemon essential oil to your soap to remove that greasy feeling. It can also come to the rescue for stuck-on sticky residues. Simply add a couple drops to a rag and use after peeling off a price tag, sticker, band-aid, or other adhesives. Lemon essential oil in the kitchen can be your go-to when fresh lemons aren't available. Add a few drops to a broiled fish fillet or roasted chicken. Lemon essential oil makes a great addition to your cleaning routine. Add it to a spray bottle filled with water and vinegar to make your own naturally sourced cleaning solution. Use it to wipe down countertops, bathroom sinks, or other commonly used surfaces. Of course, you can use lemon essential oil in your diffuser. The citrusy scent creates an uplifting environment to brighten any day. Remember, lemon essential oil can be used topically, aromatically, and internally. It's just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. If you're looking for essential oil education, you are definitely in the right spot. Thanks for watching.